Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me share with you how to activate the demo mode on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on additional settings. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so simply check it and come back to this video. So if we are on the developer options, we have to scroll in order to find the demo mode, and as you can see right now it is obviously turned off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here, and here we've got the information about the demo mode. So the clock will be stopped, the battery and all other icons will be in their full state, and so on and so on. So if you're ready, just tap on turn on, and right now we can take a look at the status bar, and as it was said, we've got the icons in their full state, and we've got the time stopped at 8 AM. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.